We're gonna have a babysitter.
You're gonna have a babysitter?
To keep those kids.
They better be good.
They're gonna be under control.
Good morning, y'all. What's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mariah, and if you can't already tell, baby, this finna be a vlog. This finna be my first vlog. I'm so excited. I couldn't wait to wake up this morning. Thank you, Jesus, for waking me up, because I wanted to like a vlog with y'all. Okay, so today we are going to be door dashing. So I'm using my phone, so I'm really not going to be able to like drive, like actually do the delivery with y'all, but I will be able to talk to y'all in between time, in the meantime, or is it in the meantime, between time? Okay, so door dashing is just something that I just started doing. It's been like a week and I'm already in love. It was more like love at first delivery. Okay, so yeah, we're going to get ready. Me and my daughter, I'm about to go wake her up, and we're gonna take a shower and we're gonna put some clothes on, and I'm gonna do something with my face, and then we're just gonna go ahead and get our day started. So if you like this type of video, you know, just let me know down there. Let me know, because this vlogging is something where you can really see somebody's personality, because it's like raw, you know what I'm saying? So if you like this video, don't forget to let me know, and I can definitely do more. But y'all, I'm really excited, so we're gonna see how this is gonna go. Who is that sleeping in my bed? Come out, little turtle. Come on, we gotta go. You don't want to go with me? Do you want to go with me? Well, get up. What you want to eat? You want to go to Perkins again? Or you didn't like that? You didn't like it? It was good. Get up so you can brush them teeth. Teethuses. And we gotta take a shower. You ready? You ready? Come on. It's your shoes. And your phone.
Did you pack it?
Pack what?
Yeah.
Your bag? No. We got our Crocs on, y'all. Ready?
They don't have a babysitter
You're gonna have a babysitter.
to keep those kids.
They better be good.
They're gonna be under control.
Okay, y'all, so this is what we working with. So normally when I DoorDash, I need something comfortable. You need something comfortable. And I like my Crocs because if it like rain or something like that, I ain't gotta worry about my feet. But this is pretty much what I have on. And girl, what you got on?
I got some swords and a Paw Patrol outfit.
Okay, and we rocking our Crocs, and you may need to be rocking some lotion on them knees too.
I will.
Okay. So we're gonna, let's see.
Pack our bag. So let's see what we got still in here because that's what we do. Cause we have muffins.
We need some snacks. So I pretty much like to make sure she has snacks in here.
Who put this in there? And also gummies, a little bit of gummies and cookies
that you've been having in here for a whole week and still ain't ate them. You probably need to throw them away. But yeah,
I'm gonna take some. This recycle?
No. So we're gonna get a garbage bag because these are essential.
This is gonna be recycled.
Girl, recycle your butt in here so we can go. I need to take my trash out. But so we'll have a garbage bag, and I have my spare keys with my mace. These are my spare keys. And put those in here. And she always have a blanket with her because she literally had a whole back seat to herself. So, you ready? Yeah, I'm gonna get you some more. So we'll see you guys in the car. Okay, y'all. So we are in the car. So what I'm gonna do is, cause yesterday I ain't have no trash bag, so I got one today. So, what you scared of?
I'm not scared of nothing. I'm just holding.
Oh, you got some trash back there?
Yes.
Um.
You don't throw away that because I want to keep it.
I ain't gonna throw it away. Don't do this at home. When you DoorDash, it's like you, first of all, you already living out your car. So, what I have is, I got my hot bag. This is a really good bag if you DoorDashing or Uber eating or whatever you want to do. It's really good and it's huge. Okay, like I can put, I think I went to Papa John's one time and they had got like a large pizza, and that box is really big and it was able to fit up in there. Any other trailers? It's like I'm a mini truck driver, okay? Because you know truck drivers, they live in a car, especially like if they over the road, and that's pretty much what I am. Okay, so I had to move my camera because y'all, I could not see a thing. But anyway, we about to go grab some breakfast and stuff like that. So like I was saying, if you have any questions about DoorDash, you can just ask me because I only been doing this for a week and I really enjoyed this. I look forward to doing this. And my makeup, I just did like a 10-minute I just did like a 10-minute makeup tutorial, and I'll do a video on that as well because first of all, humpadumps. Okay, y'all. So we I gave her an option, McDonald's. So we got McDonald's, and they gave this big old know this is my daughter, Melanie. She, leave my river alone before you break it.
That's a red what?
River mirror.
A river mirror.
A rear
Rare
view
veil
mirror.
mirror.
Say it together.
A real mirror mirror.
A rear. Say it with me, y'all.
A rare.
Rear.
A rare.
Rear
Rare
view.
veil. Veil.
View
View.
mirror.
Mirror.
Listen. Rear view mirror.
Mirror mirror.
Rear view mirror.
River mirror.
Hey guys, so I finished my first session. I only did an hour. It was a successful hour, and I have to go to the bathroom, so I'm about to find like a Kroger or something to go to. Melanie, you good? You gotta use it. You could try. Yeah, so one thing about this is I always ask her if she's hungry, because if it was just me, I probably wouldn't eat nothing but breakfast, and I probably won't eat again until it's time for me to go home. But anytime I have to use the bathroom, I always make sure that she go as well, because most times when she sit down, she end up going. I wish I was a kid. I want to be back there like Melanie. I'm finna pull up on me. I'm finna pull up on Walmart and use their bathroom because Kroger too far. Oh, my bad. Come on, Charles. Because Kroger a little too far, and the way my bladder set up, I got to go right now. I got to go right now. Gotta go. I feel like there was a song back in the day. Some type of.
I put my shoes on.
Put your shoes on so we can jump out.
Pull up on me.
For real. Pull up on me. Oh, put your mama on the phone. Have y'all did that TikTok? Pull up on me. Y'all, so I'm currently at Popeyes, and now this is one place that I do not like to dash at, because if anybody know, I do not know not one Popeyes line that moves fast. This is just a slow place in general, and wherever this person is, they like, I'm sure they in one of these apartment complexes right here, because the total drive was like a mile and something. So I had wrote them or text them. That's the cool thing about DoorDash. You can text your customers, and they either let you text within the app, or if they don't have the app downloaded or something like that, you're able to text them from a different phone number. But I let her know. I was like, in line for your order, you know how Popeye's line is. And she has said, yes, 10 cars or more, very long. And I said, facts. I probably should have been a little bit more professional than that. But, you know, I just, no matter where I work at, I know you have to be professional, but I just don't like to be like a robot. Hi, this is Mariah, your DoorDasher. Just letting you know, I am currently waiting on your order. Like, I like for people to feel relaxed and comfortable when they talking to me, no matter what type of job I'm doing. Like, this is a good little side hustle, and today is everybody's lucky day with me, because I'm giving everybody their food, like even Popeyes. But we still haven't ate. I'd say my session would end at 1:30, and I'll probably be at Popeyes to 1:30. Sheesh. But yeah, what you want to eat, Melanie?
I want meat.
Don't even fix.
Okay.
Don't fix them little lips. Is this not the most common thing? Why do all kids love McDonald's? Like, seriously, like, is that a thing? McDonald's? Like, let me turn this air up. Sorry if y'all can hear this air, but it is 94 degrees outside, and that's not even the feels like temp. So if it's 94 right now, then you know that temp is up there.
They gave me a cookie.
So I actually wanted a sweet Chipotle chicken from McAllister's, but they gave me a sweet Chipotle spud. So hopefully this is good. But yeah.
I love this. And I also got some applesauce, kid pizza, and a cookie. I'm like Cookie Monster.
You what?
I'm like Cookie Monster from Ammo Show.
Okay, guys, so we are back. Today was a successful day. I think I only did like 6 hours, and it was about $106 and some change. That last order that I did was like $13. I needed that. Like, my goal would be $100 a day, because if you make $100 a day, if you do it for 7 days a week, that's $700 a week, and that is what, $1,400 every 2 weeks, $2,800 a month, plus if you have other income coming in like a regular job. So yes, it was a good day today. I think we're gonna close out. I kind of got like sidetracked because like I stopped before 8 o'clock because I met out with Model, and we had lunch in the car and stuff like that. Well, really dinner in the car. And yeah, so you had a good day? Good. I'm kind of sleepy. My eyes are getting a little tight, but besides that, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below, and make sure you subscribe to your girl channel. Until next time, peace.
Bye.